I assume the position as Officer in Charge, Philippine National Police, effective August 26, 2025, and I sign in your presence. Thank you so much, Apo President. To the dynamic Secretary of the Department of Interior and Local Government, Honorable Juanito Victor Junbig Remulla, sir. Thank you for your support. To the outgoing and the first Lacan Chief PNP, Police General Nicolas De Loso Torre III. Thank you for steering the PNP for what it is today. To my beloved family who has nurtured me to what I am today, my father, my mother, and my brothers, my wife, Mary Rose, and my children who are the source of my strength and inspiration. By investigative solutions, by identifying personalities and group involved, secure evidence that will ensure their guilt before the court. Through proactive policing, strategies, and strategic partnership, we will ensure the swift apprehension and prosecution of offenders, sending a clear message that crime will not go unpunished. At the same time, we shall continue the 5-minute response policy of the former Chief PNP to assure the public of timely intervention and protection. Second, following the direction of our President, and as we confront the realities of modern crime, we must expand our focus to include cybercrimes that is becoming more rampant or prevalent. Our cyber capabilities must be responsive and should adapt to the latest cyber threats and trends. We will prevent these crimes proactively with rapid response and establishing mechanisms in place to address emerging threats swiftly. Third, our commitment to the campaign against illegal drugs, loose firearms, and terrorism must remain steadfast. Record shows that prevalent crimes are often associated to these personalities involved in illegal drugs, and that prevalent crimes are usually committed with the use of firearms. Fourth, the morale and welfare of our personnel are paramount. Through continuous education, recognition, and comprehensive welfare program, we will empower our officers to perform their duties with excellence, professionalism, ensuring their well-being and morale remain high. Fifth, we will revisit, improve, and implement risk management plan at all levels, or the business continuity plan. Six, we must review and enhance our security operations to intensify protection of vital installations. Seven, we must ensure or enhance our capabilities and secure protocols in managing public events and maintaining crowd control, ensuring the safety of all participants and the organizer as well, by implementing comprehensive security plans and maintaining a calendar of events. We will uphold order and safety during gatherings and festivities, especially in Metro Manila. We have the SONA, we have the Quiapo, and as well as the SONA. Lastly, we will rigorously implement integrity monitoring at all levels to weed out rogues in service. Integrity is the cornerstone of public service, essential in gaining the trust and confidence of the community. I recognize that my aspirations are not mine alone, but shared by every dedicated policeman who swore an oath to protect and serve. I call upon all PNP personnel. Together, let us forge a path towards a future where the PNP is not just a force of law, but a beacon of hope and integrity.